Hi traders, it's Tomek here from Nikos Trading Academy and welcome in my weekly Forex Forecast. So last week we get some opportunities to jump in, but I will describe those entries and results from live trading room in the separate video. Currently market is building itself, so we might to have or still continuations with some trends or possible retracements. But of course, I will explain everything in details on pairs which I prepare. And before I go there, I would like to invite you to visit my website, which is dedicated to my one-on-one mentorship program. If you are interested to contact with me, just fill up this form and send me the message. Link to this website you will find below this video in the description and in the YouTube description. So of course at the lower you will find some information about me, why basically it's good to have mentor. This is also when my change happened, when I met Nikos and I took mentorship with him. Full my offer, my free trading strategy for the swing trading, which I personally use, and more details about your learning process and my mentoring plan. Okay, so now let's go to our charts. EURCAD is first pair, and this is ongoing trend on the weekly time frame. As you can see, price is pointing up after bouncing on the 12 EMA. So what might happen? We are close to the major area of resistance level. Yeah, so we can see that this is quite strong level. We have some spikes here. The highest point is up here. So I always measure the highest point. Then, of course, in case of the breakout, we will find next level up here. And of course, you know, if price continue, we have still levels to go. But currently, we are close to this where price reacted and created a bigger retracement. But it's still now weekly chart is not like it's pointing up. However, we see currently is reacting. So, this is just the stop and price will continue, or we'll get bigger retracement where 36 EMA area of the support together with a potential trend line, which is here. Together with the 36, so this is good area for price to reach and then make another continuation, of course, if price would like to do it. A daily chart is interesting. We have this trend line. As you can see, price now is reacting. We have this highest point and we have this double top or triple top. So now long scenarios are still okay, but we have to aim first those resistance. Not much, it's 60-70 pips, but if price breaks, the potential is still there. Okay, so if you go to 4-hour chart, as we can see now, 4-hour chart setup might be too late because no, we will definitely see this here. So probably there might be not enough room to take this. But if we get, let's say, a bounce trade opportunity, if we see that price is going again, retesting, it's making higher low, this will be our opportunity to look for bounce trading on the line and then target this. Then our risk management is okay. If you want to grab like a classic entries, currently you see price on the 1-hour chart is going up. So what we need to get is the retracement, ideally back to the 36 EMA, and then long scenarios to target previous top. Then our risk reward might be good on the EURCAD. Euro New Zealand, this is trade which I took on the 15-minute time frame, but I will describe this in the separate video. Now let's focus on situation which we have here. This is the weekly chart. Price you see is in the range. Currently, it's building momentum to sell. So this is our target. And this will be interesting to see what price will do, because if we get rejection, price might again go up and we will be trading in this bigger range. Okay. If price breaks this, we can have maybe finally trend change and price will continue to push down. We will see. We had this daily short 1 to 3. I didn't take it this way. We had opportunities here for swing trading, but I didn't take it because I didn't like it exactly on the weekly chart. Now it's easy to say that this was good setup, but you know, when the market is creating this, then you have to make decision if you want to be there or not. If you are not, you don't cry that you miss all the move. Okay, so because we don't know. Yes, if we get the setup, we never know if price do that. It can create a setup, might go up again. Yeah. So I decided to not jump in because I was not so sure about the weekly. Now it's bigger clearness, so we have this move. So of course, after every single retracement, right now we try to sell it, target this. The question is if how price continues. If it continues with the main move after retracement, of course, this will be our target, or we will get retracement sooner. For our chart, as you can see, we have this trend line here right now. So what we can do, wait just for possible retracement to this line, short scenarios, continuation, or lower time frames. Right now, 1 hour chart retracement, and then short scenarios, 1 hour chart or 1 hour chart with the 5 minutes. So this is Euro New Zealand. Now everything is late because you see daily chart moved, but it's ongoing, so we can aim this level. GBP US dollar weekly time frame. Now is climbing up, reached again area of resistance, as you can see here. The last high is here, so basically, if we measure also those stops, this stop, we still have some space to go. We are around the major resistance, but we still have room to go to this level or to this, even to the next one, which is up here. Yeah, so no, they are a little bit close to each other because 100 pips each difference, but no, now it's pointing up on the weekly chart. Clearly we are in the uptrend. We have this trend line here. Yeah, so it's pushing up. If retracement happen, of course, 12 EMA first area, then 36 together with the trend line. Right now it's climbing up. As you can see, it seems that it's a weak point for now because we have like 3 daily candles around this zone. So if this is the case, we can expect or possible retracement. We see this trend line is not worth much because I have it with the 2 touches. So I prefer to see 3. This is the next line. So retracement where 36 CMA, a little bit deeper, where the area of the support is here, together with the trend line. And if you see, pay attention, this might be also 12 EMA. 36 is a little bit lower below the line, so even lower we can get. But those are the first levels, 36 support trend line, where price might retrace, of course, if price is ready to retrace now, because it still climb to the next levels. So on the 4-hour chart, we get also 50-minute entries opportunities here, but no, I didn't take everything. I just took 2 trades on the 50-minute. This is our line. You see price currently is squeezed in this area. So how we want to sell it, how we want to trade against the main direction whenever price break 36 CMA, ideally also previous bottom. Yes, and then short scenarios target, those levels which we mark on the daily chart, so 36 support trend line. If price still breaks that, you can look for buy scenarios, yeah, and aggressively, if you like. If price reached this zone here, price goes reject this, you can also look for bounce long entries and target this area. This is also possible. However, this is aggressive. Buys are with the main direction. So, or you can even trade here, short scenarios here, yes, and then target that. So you can trade here. If you want to see clearly where price decide to move, of course, we need to have breakout here. With this breakout, like I said, if you get short 1 hour chart 1 to 3, this might be aggressive approach because this line, this low will be not broken. So if you want to be more conservative, you need to wait for price to breaks also this low. So keep in mind about that. Okay. So we have a long or short option, and using the CAD, some of you took 4-hour chart entries here. I didn't take it because I didn't like this line, because you could draw it in 2 different perspectives. However, no, this was our entry stop loss, 55 pips. But if you manage this pair on the 4-hour chart, you would be stopped out anyway here. So if you manage this according to the rules on the 4-hour chart, this would kick you out. If not, if let's say you keep it on the break even, you forgot about this trade, now it's better because you know price is going higher. So what we have on the news in the cat, clearly it seems that you know momentum is here. We have next area of the resistance around this zone on the weekly chart. As you can see, the next one is higher up here. So price is going up. We have our levels where price might to stop. It also, you see, making those higher lows. Now it's making also higher highs. Yeah, so it's pushing up. We have this trend line. So what we would like to see, retracement long scenarios. Or now late options on the lower time frames. Late means that for our chart retracement back to 36, 15-minute chart entries, 1-hour chart combinations, yeah, also 1-hour chart. You can look for retracement back to the 36 CMA, 5-minute entries, 1-minute entries. This is what you want to jump. If price reach level, of course, area of interest, we will see that price is stopping. Then we can look for possible short scenarios against the main direction, but now it's too early. USDN, all yen pairs are more or less the same. So I just pick up yen, USDN, like a major pair. No, USDN reached this area of support. This is also monthly long 1 to 3, as you can see. So it's still not. We will have end of the month on Monday. So not this gives us monthly 1 to 3, but still not confirmation from the monthly perspective if it wants to go up. Weekly chart retrace to the 12 EMA, and now it will be interesting if we get another retest, and maybe you know monthly 1 to 3 will start to work, or we just get retracement price breaks and still start to push down. Now this is definitely key area for price to see if it holds or not. If not, of course, next levels here, and then next one on the weekly chart is down here. So we have plenty of space to go. Now you see on the daily chart, we had this very nice retracement, which I was looking for to look again to sell this pair. Now I have opportunity to sell. The question is if I have enough room to target this support zone. There are two things, or price, like you said, again, continue as to this, breaks and continue to the next one, or we'll get double, let's say, bottom and price make this, or we'll get higher low and then price continue. Right now, daily chart looks strongly to sell. Weekly chart also strongly to sell. No, we will see. Here also weekly looks quite strongly to sell, and after that price still continue to push up. Okay. So what we have trendline breakout. Now we go to 1-hour chart. It's very nice if we get any retracement, yes, to the 36 CMA. Look for that, jump in. USDN, look for other pair also. They reacted more or less in the same way. So after retracement, short scenarios target previous bottom. After breakout, of course, you have next targets. Yeah. To look for buy scenarios, I really need at least to see that at least price is breaking this 36 EMA. Then possible long scenarios. And the last one is gold, more or less the same like last week, I think so. No, it's pushing up still. There was this stop. We don't have historical highs. No, sorry, price is making historical highs, so we don't have any resistance. Right now, price retraced to the 36 EMA. So basically, we have this right now. So our price bounce again on around the 36 will push up, or bounces on the line and then will continue to go up. Area of the resistance is up here. Right now, only day trading scenarios, scalping opportunities. Even I wouldn't try to take buys after breakout of that. I would wait for bigger retracement. In terms of the short scenarios, it's a little bit too early for me. At least to look for short scenarios target in the bigger retracement, I would wait for this trendline breakout to aim daily level. Here, if price, let's say, breaks the 36, reach this zone, I would still pay attention to buy this after trendline breakout. So I would wait. Really, it's a little bit too aggressive for me to do You see, price is making for us short setup here, yes, on the 1 hour chart, but we are still above the 4 hour chart, 36 EMA. So it's not interesting for me. I would really wait to price play around here and then long or short scenario. At least this is my perspective. Again, you can try to sell it, target this trend line if you are a scalper. Yes, if price breaks this, you can try to look for buys, target previous stop. It's also possible as long as you know direction and you know what to do and where are your targets. It's all possible, but you have to keep in mind that it will be aggressive, so you have to manage the risk correctly. Okay, so this is all about the forecast. I will tomorrow I will upload video about trades and summary of some trades which I took recently. Of course I will send emails about that. And again, I would like to invite you to visit my website dedicated to my one-on-one mentorship program. Link you will find below this video in the description. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. We will schedule a free call when I will answer all your questions, explain you how I work. I decided to make this program simply because I have all necessary parts to work in with yourself in trading. Of course, most important for me is mindset part, because this is where most people struggle with, and they don't even know that they are struggling with the mindset. They're always looking for technical aspect, but it's never here. It's always there. Of course, strategy system is very important, but it's not so important like mindset. If you join my program, you will see how to work. I will show exactly how to find your core limiting beliefs in trading, how to work with your emotions, why this is important to monitor, how you feel, what you think. So everything I will explain you. And of course, we will focus on the technical part and planning part. So I will show you a system which I personally use in my trading, and then we will create together a trading plan with the statistics, with trading journal. So you will have all necessary tools in trading, which are, in my opinion, key aspect to achieve long-term success. So I will teach you how to use them correctly. Below you have some short videos where I explain the whole process in which I plan to work with you. And if you are interested, there is also free trading strategy, swing trading master ebook, where I show you step by step my swing trading strategy, which I personally use in my trading. So again, if you are interested, just leave me the message here, just filling the name, email, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks again. Wish you all a great day, and see you soon. Bye.